Hi, my name is Prune Harris from Adrenal Health, and we're going to continue exploring how to balance the kidney meridian. Kidney is one of the two meridian organ systems that sits in the element of water. And one of the ways that we can really help balance our kidney energy is working with our second chakra, because it's the chakra that also sits in the water element. Here at the beach today, we've got water all around us. Even just that is brilliant for restoring kidney. Getting in the bath, having a shower where you work with some of the exercises that we've already been looking at with kidney. They're all great ways to really help our source energy, our vital life store, actually replenish within us. So our second chakra sits just below the navel. And let's start by putting both hands on this chakra. And from here, let's just breathe into. Be comfortable whether you're sitting, standing or lying. Let's just breathe into that space directly behind our hands. Maybe closing your eyes if you're comfortable to do so, really tuning into this place. For men and women, it's a place where we can hold a lot of tension because we've been taught to sit straight, stand straight, have our tummy tucked in, and so we can really tense up in this area. So first of all, let's just take our attention to relaxing it. When we're relaxed here, then we have more space, and that just in itself creates the ability for energy to move. And now we're going to leave one hand there, and with the other hand we're going to come to these K27, the points that are below the collarbone. And we're just going to connect the end points of this kidney meridian with the second chakra. And to finish off, we're going to flush the kidney meridian. So we're going to start at the points that we were just holding. We're going to come down the front of the body, down the inside of the legs, to the ball of the foot. Give that area a little massage. Shake your fingers off, and then do exactly the opposite. Ball of the foot, all the way up the inside of the leg, back up to K27. We're going to do that again. And one more time. Lovely. And that should be a way that you can replenish your kidney energy and feel like you have a little bit more of your true life energy to be working with today. Bye-bye.